Anyway, I wanted to show you a little bit. This is my compost pile. Mostly right here I got grass and manure, and I'm just letting it work all together here and creating some good compost. Over here in this tree I have all kinds of things growing out of this tree that you would never really believe. I got a grape plant, a grapevine, and it not only goes here, but it goes all the way up the tree. I don't know if you can see those leaves right out there. Those leaves are grape leaves, and they are, I don't know, probably 20 to 30 feet high. And so I got a grape tree, yeah, it's a grape tree growing out of this tree. I also got a maple tree that has grown into this tree. And over here I have raspberries. Now, I don't know how any of this stuff actually got here, except that, you know, people throw seeds away or they spit seeds out as they're walking and talking, and they just grew, you know. The soil was right, the conditions were right, it got rained at the right time, and it grew. I just wanted to kind of show you that. It's one of those things that I find amazing, and I wanted to share with people. I hope this is something that gives people ideas, kind of like James Prigione's garden, Jack Spirko, Paul Gauci of Back to Eden fame. All of these people have influenced the way that I think and the way that I look at things, and the way that I see how things can be done. Now, this is just nature, and nature does things that nobody else thinks can be done. We think linear. We need to plant in rows, and we need to plant where we can have walkways and all of this kind of stuff, and nature just kind of fills in the empty spaces. And so I just wanted to show you an example of that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video for whoever gets to see it. Have a great day, and God bless you.